doing a hand launching clinic here.
We were flying car the other day, and it turned cattle. I mean, like stick right away. That's what I was thinking. Inside that tire, just has to eat. So hold that down, right? And you hold that down, and as soon as that's already, as soon as you let go, those props are going to start. Okay? It was dumb. And I'm not as kind of. Don't know. Just spread out your props. I don't like them like that. Okay. All right.
We're spreading out the props.
Yeah. There we go. So now hold it above your head, right? And then let go. Let it pull itself out of your hand. Okay. Right? Don't let go. Right? Just hold it lightly. Let it pull itself out of your hand. Right? If you just let go, well, yeah. Right? Which is what I do. Landing lights on. No, they just put landing lights. It's on there for the second. I think you were smoking, Gary. So now, when you're going to do a catch for the beginners, okay, tip your camera straight down. Okay? And I'm going to put you into sport mode. The reason for that being is that turns off all your side obstacle voice. Bring it down to about eye level. Okay? Put your hand under it and wait for it to go up. Now, when it goes up like that, it now sees your hand as the ground, right? And you're going to push down on the stick and watch that camera. As soon as that camera goes to level, it's gone to landing mode, okay? And see how my hand is here now? But as soon as it goes into landing mode, let go of this stick. Because it's going to land. And you're going to change your hand from a flat to a grasping position, right? So just watch now. Stick pulled down, there. See, my hand's off the stick. Right? Okay. And you put it into a position like that. And yeah, I've never landed it without taking my hand off. Wrong thing to do. Wrong thing to do. The reason being is because it's coming down, and if you cross channel like that, it's going to turn. Okay. And that's where you're going to slot a finger. Right? So, bad boy. I like that. I've never tried it like that before. One more time and then you're and like I say, for doing this, I actually prefer to leave it in sport mode all the time.
Laura's doing a hand launching clinic.
For takeoff too? Yeah.
Hand launching and hand catching.
Yeah, because in this it's going to go straight up instead of at an angle.
Hot Rod. He was doing an FPV drone. They said he launched. He did a launch while it was in his hand, right, Scott?
A little above.
He armed it. He armed it while it was in his hand.
Turned it on.